Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Got another Nitro unboxing here. This one's special because this will be my most powerful and possibly largest Nitro RC. So this is the VRX 1/8 Truggy. They model number RH801. I did see on their site that they do have a Pro, which includes carbon fiber parts, but I could not find that anywhere, and I don't know if it'd be worth the price jump. So I did pick this up at sterlingkits.com. Might have heard me mention them from other Nitro unboxings, and I picked up 2 electrics from them as well. Awesome customer service. I did get this when they had it listed for $329, but they've since bumped the price up, so I probably won't post a link, or I will post a link just so you could check out what they have, because their other Nitros are they have great prices on other Nitros, no tax for the States. And I also used their 13% promo code from Black Friday, still working, SKBF. So I got this thing for like, I think $287. So awesome. That was the best price I could find. But right now, the cheapest price I think around is Banggood, which is $336, and then whatever for shipping. But anyways, let me go ahead and get this thing opened up. So came in amazing packaging like usual. And another cool thing, they reached out to me and asked me what color body I wanted. Because in the pictures you'll notice that they have a blue, red, and silver. But this is the black, red, and silver. And I love this because all my VRX Nitros are pretty much in this color scheme, so I got a matching fleet. So this thing is pretty awesome. Came in amazing condition, as you could see. Because it is a Truggy, they did have to pack the wheels disassembled for shipping purposes. But there's your 4 giant 17mm hex wheels, so it is a true 1/8 scale. We'll start with the accessories. Man, this thing is awesome and feels fantastic. Here is the transmitter, which I think will be a FlySky GT2. And yep, so great budget transmitter. No issues with these except for that it takes 8 AA's. So I do use my FlySky GT3C, and I have videos on how to program those and set those up on this, or on the to rebind it to another receiver. But what makes this special, aside from being a 1/8 scale, is that it has a Force 0.28 engine. I do really like the Force engines. Just speaking from the 0.18 series, they make great power, and they're a lot of fun. So yeah, this thing looks amazing. I'm gonna get into the kit. As usual, they give you a bind plug adapter and an antenna tube to hold it straight up. And then what this is a wrench for your wheel lugs to install the tires. So that's cool. And then you also get some spacers for the suspension to adjust it, because I don't believe these are screw adjust, so they'll be spacer adjusted. So I'm going to cut this open and then get right back to you. So I've got this thing cut open, set up for display, and it is looking awesome. It feels very solid. Here's a closer look at the hexes, 17s. A lot of metal components on this. Pulled the pins so we could take a look at the inside. But very nice body. I do like this black and red compared to the blue and red. And what's cool is there's a little bubble right there for the exhaust hump and exhaust port. So a well thought out body. I do like that. This is a Truggy, so it's a good balance between a truck and buggy, so hopefully the performance will be awesome. If you saw my HSP comparison videos, you can see the differences that they use in linkages. Like you see here, they use these rods compared to these little cheap bendy rods in the HSP. But this does have, I think they advertise 4 brakes on this, so that's why you see 2 brake linkage arms. A big old filter. This plastic, I read, is to collect any moisture, so I think it's supposed to be pointed down or something, but it's supposed to separate the water, let the water drain out of the filter. But here we go, Force 28 engine, the star of this buggy. Very cool, very excited to try this thing out. There's the low speed needle, high speed needle, and there's the, I think that's the idle screw right there. Single speed, but yeah, very nice. Metal shock towers, metal braces. So yeah, not screw, but these are metal body shocks, which is a very nice touch. Here are the spacers to adjust the tension, or would that be preload. 125cc tank. Here's a side shot of the box. There's the 0.28 with the tune pipe, so very cool. It does come with the metal pipe. The 110 series with the 1.8 engines come with black plastic pipes. Front universal joint shafts, and then machine steel gear. So that's very cool, and they even tell you the pinion and spur. So 14 and 52 tooth, which is very nice. And yeah, so I'm really excited for this. I'm gonna program it. Here's a shot at the bottom. Nice metal chassis. This is your receiver box right here. I do like that it's not screw and that they do pins, because man, that's cool. Easy accessibility, so I'm a big fan of that. And while we're in there, you can see that that is a Fly Sky receiver. I know it's a bad shot, but Fly Sky receiver. So this is the one, my GT3C, that I'm using. And actually, I already named it. I created channel 6801 for this thing. So I am gonna get this binded and or bound and set up. Another thing to note, nice flexible hard plastic spoiler, so this shouldn't snap off. It should be able to take some. But yeah, this thing looks awesome. I'm really excited. Supposedly waterproof servos, your steering, and then your throttle and brake servo. There's the throttle rod. Didn't mention that earlier. Oh man, but I'm really liking this case. And I know it's just a simple thing, but I think it makes a huge difference. If you run out of batteries on the receiver pack, or you have to change the rechargeable pack if you have one, it's easily accessible right there on without a screwdriver. So that's pretty cool. I think the clutch bell looks a little bit different. It's interesting that they have a bigger pinion design on that, or at least I haven't seen it. And again, I'm new to Nitro, so my only experience is VRX and HSPs. But this is looking awesome. Something to note, when you put the body on, you need to slide the back under the spoiler and then slip it onto the body pins, because it is overlapped right there. But beautiful. I'm gonna get this thing broken in and hopefully get some running video up soon. Thanks for watching.